Here, they gave Mom the good drugs. Here she is.
It's been happy hour since Grandma got.
Dad says it's been happy hour ever since Grandma got up. What do you got there, Dad?
Oh, it's just these.
Is Mom flipping me off? Yes. She sure seems to be.
These are
Mom,
her.
you know what? This is inflammatory.
It's blackmail.
They're mom's. These are Mom's Halloween hands.
I know, that's what I was just thinking. It's very fitting for Halloween.
Yeah, my Halloween.
How come they can see the stitches? Like, are they metal? I would assume. Oh, maybe that's just them saying they're pointing at something. Maybe that's a V for victory.
They had to put screws in the knuckle,
Yeah, they
in
put
the
these
bone on
pins
either
in.
side.
They'll take those.
Wait,
out.
is that your other one you already got fixed? The one with the V in it?
This is their first one here,
Oh, the first one looks awful.
and this is the second one.
So this one is just fused, so it can't bend. This one
That was last month.
is replaced, so it can. Well,
An upgrade.
this is an upgraded finger.
I know.
And I think Mom liked Dr. Mark Sanderson, right?
Yeah, he's a really nice guy.
Yeah. Well, there you go. And this is like what she's trying to do in A-OK.